With YouTube TV, you can watch NFL games across all your devices. When you stream NFL games on YouTube TV, you have access to features like Multiview, key plays, team and player stats, fantasy view, and unlimited DVR. In this video, we'll show you how to use them. The YouTube TV base plan includes live NFL games such as locally broadcast Sunday afternoon regular season games on CBS or Fox, nationally televised games like Sunday Night Football on NBC, preseason games, and playoff games. And when you buy the NFL Sunday Ticket add-on, you'll get every game, every Sunday, including out-of-market NFL regular season Sunday afternoon games, except select digital-only games. To watch NFL games, open the YouTube TV app on your mobile device or smart TV, or go to tv.youtube.com on your desktop. To see a full list of games, conference standings, and team records, go to the NFL channel page on YouTube TV. There, you'll see the games for the upcoming week, recorded games from previous weeks, and more. The NFL page in the YouTube TV app will show you which games are available and unavailable to watch in your home area. If the game is live, select the matchup to start watching. If the game is scheduled for later, click the matchup, then select Set Mobile Reminder to get an alert on your mobile device when the game is live. Make sure to enable notification permissions on your mobile device in order to receive these alerts. You can also go to the Live tab of YouTube TV to see a full list of networks you can browse. With the YouTube TV base plan, you can catch nationally televised and locally broadcast NFL games. If you don't have the NFL Sunday Ticket add-on, you won't be able to watch out-of-market Sunday afternoon games. Remember, when you travel outside of your home area, you'll be prompted to update your current playback area to watch games, which can change the games available to you. Next, let's talk about DVR. YouTube TV comes with unlimited DVR storage, so you can record as many NFL games as you want during the season. To record all the NFL games that are available to you throughout the season, press the plus button at the top of the NFL page. Scroll down to the weekly schedule to record a specific matchup. Or, to record available games from a specific team for the entire season, go to the team section, next, pick the team. Then hit the plus button to add to library. Once you do this, any game aired on YouTube TV featuring that team will be added to your library and recorded. All game recordings will be on the NFL channel page or the teams page, organized in chronological order. Now let's walk through how to use the Multiview and Key Plays feature when watching NFL games on YouTube TV. Do note that these features aren't available on a web browser. Multiview is a feature that lets you watch up to 4 NFL games at once on your smart TV, mobile phone, or tablet. When you choose a Multiview stream to watch, all of the included games will be open on your stream. If you don't see a pre-selected Multiview stream that you want to watch, you can build your own Multiview. To do this, select the live NFL game. Next, open the controls in the Watch player, then select Multiview. Next, add your games to Multiview by selecting View Available Games. Do note that only games that are currently live and available to watch can be added. You can add up to 3 additional games to the stream. Now, let's cover key plays. If you're ever late to a game, you can catch up by jumping through real-time highlights. While you're watching the game, you can also rewatch exciting moments. To catch up on a game using key plays mode, first, find a live NFL game that's in progress. Then you'll be shown 2 options: join live or catch up with key plays. Next, select catch up with key plays. Now, you'll jump into a highlight version of the game you're watching. Whether you're watching a game live or recorded, you have access to Views, an interactive feature that lets you see real-time team and player stats, track highlights of the game you're watching, and scores across the NFL. The Fantasy Football View on the YouTube TV mobile app lets you link your existing fantasy football account and lets you view your team and league performance in real time while watching NFL games. Once linked, your fantasy league data will be available while watching NFL games across other devices signed into the same account as well. Note that NFL.com and Yahoo Fantasy are the only fantasy sports platforms which are currently supported. To learn more about watching NFL games on YouTube TV, check out the link in the description. Subscribe to YouTube Viewers for more tips and tricks.